Hello guys, and we are here again to another video. Welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you how to set up roles on Discord using Arcane bot. So the first thing that you need to do is go to the Arcane site. Just go to your browser, open your browser, and search for arcane.bot. Click enter and you will go to this page. Now, you need to click add to Discord. If your Discord account is not yet logged into your browser, you need to log it in. And then you need to choose what server you will integrate your Arcane bot to. So I'm going to choose my server. And then you need to authorize all of these. Click authorize and do some reCAPTCHA. Then once you're done with that, there is a notification that ArcaneBot is on your Discord server. Now, as you can see, ArcaneBot is integrated or now on our Discord server. The next thing that I'm going to show you is how to create or add a role using ArcaneBot to your servers. Go to the top left here and click your server name and then click server settings. Now here you need to click roles. Once you've clicked roles, you need to click create role. Now create your first role here. Create a name. I'm just gonna choose level 1. You can also pick a color, and then if you want to add more roles, just click the plus sign here to add. I'm just gonna add 2 more roles. And once you're done creating roles, go back to the Arcane site and make sure that your Discord account is logged in. And then in the dashboard, choose a server. Choose the server that you've integrated ArcaneBot. Now in the dashboard, you can tweak many things. You can add level up messages. When you want to add images, you can use this one here. Just add it on the end. And also, scroll down, you need to turn off rewards, the stack rewards, to avoid too much texts on your server and channels. You can tweak more stuff here, customize your vanity URL for easier sharing, and that's it. Thank you for watching, and please give this video a like and subscribe to this channel. See you on the next one.